Jerry doing acrobats this morning. Yeah, man. What you doing? He must have not couldn't find no tree to climb, I don't know.
I can't believe how strong this roof is. Man, that's all bent shit. Susan, grab me a pair of pliers. 2 pairs, please.
Better put that please on there.
Just trying to be nice. I've been raging all day today. In a bad mood. We already walked a mile this morning.
Walked a mile?
Yeah, we had to walk a mile. This fucking thing quit on me. So we had to walk back, and I went and put gas in it with John, and it was completely full. He was running back out, and we drove about a mile away from the house, and it quit.
Oh, you put some aluminum wheels on there.
I took the fuel pump off.
Uh-huh.
Hose, and damn it, some bitch took in.
Oh, that's 8 lug though. Damn. This is what you do when you got plenty of money.
No, the Christmas lights are gone. I had Christmas lights running on there. Don't lie. Don't lie now.
And then you put your battery right there.
He had to show the battery just to test the show proof. Ain't no Christmas lights.
That's Jerry. Krogi run. We gonna get some money and send off for a gasket seal for that pressure cooker. Hopefully. This is the gasket I'm going to get to Harry. This is all a guesstimation. M0406 is the model number that I come up with just by comparing it to another pot that looks just like the one I got, the one we got. If it's the wrong gasket, I'm not going to cry about it. I'm not going to be disheartened. I'll just order another pot. I'll order a new pot if this don't work. Huh?